I go to the attic and my mom told me to, so let's go. For no reason.
There's a reason, of course.
Is it? That's weird.
What's in there?
Oh, this looks cool.
What is that? Can you turn on the electric fan, please?
Okay.
What is that?
This one is kind of heavy. I want to open it. Oh, it's cool. Oh, I like it. This one is the one that I want. Feels like a real shotgun.
Uh-huh.
The shells. Now I need to figure out how to assemble this.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's a really cool present for me. Let's build it later.
Yeah, maybe you ask help from Papa. You know how to do it. It's so nice. It's cool. No, you fit in. You fit in. No, you have to put the handle. There you go. I know.
I need screws.
Ah, yeah, you need to ask Papa.
Ooh. Oh, that's a great present. Okay, let's open this one.
What's it? What's that? What's in there?
It's a revolver.
Oh, may I see?
It's a revolver.
Nice.
Open it.
No, you have to ask Papa later. No, you have to ask Papa later.
I like it.
Cool.
Let's open this one.
Who gave that?
It's Mom. Oh. Oh my God. Wait, is this the one that I wanted? I forgot. I know what this thing is.
What?
I know what it is. Of course I know.
What? What is that?
I'll try.
You cannot open?
But I think I can. Yep, I know it. I noticed it. It's a Nerf vest. I love it.
What is that? What do you call that one?
It's a Nerf vest. Now I can win the Nerf war.
Broken na ba yung shotgun?
Yeah.
Can we fix it?
It cannot be fixed.
Can you try? You ask Papa to fix it. Now you have to put some bullet there. But you have to remove your...
Oh, here.
Well, later na.
I like this.
It has a cover.
Huh?
It has a cover. What is that orange thing?
Oh. What is this?
Oh, when you casa, it is protected. Oh no! It's a spring. You don't have to remove it.
Wait, I have to unscrew it again because it's kind of... Wait.
Oh, you have to... Okay.
Also, the vest comes with 2 magazines that can fit. And then 5 targets.
Nice.
Now, let's try to assemble the shotgun.
No, you ask her to because there's a need to put some screw there.
But these, let's open the shells. I love these.
It's the same with the orange one, right? Is it the same size?
No. It's a real replica of real shotgun shells. I think these are 3D printed.
You have to put first the... No. You have to put first the handle. Mamaya na.
Yay. These shells are really cool. Wait.
Where's the other one?
Where do I put this? I think this is the one.
But where's the shell?
Which one? I think I should.
Can you...
Wait.
There you go.
Oh. Ow.
How about this?
Let's open this
So you
downstairs.
have to get the scissors.
Wait. Don't tell me it has a laser on here.
No.
It does.
Where?
Wait, where's the... a light beam.
Oh,
Now I can use this. Luke's the tactical gear pack. It has a huge backpack for your bullets.
Hey.
I'm so sweaty. Also, bye-bye. Bye-bye. And also, happy birthday to me.